My dear students, hope you are staying at home and keeping yourself safe and sound. You know that we are passing through a critical situation. The whole world is pandemic corona affected. We have to stay at home. So Uttar Bangla College has arranged online classes for you. I hope you will take the benefit of these classes. I am Nandarani Sarkar, lecturer English, Uttar Bangla College. Today I will focus on HSC second paper English question number 10. Our today's topic is connectors. Let's start our class. Dear students, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to give the definition of connectors, to give the examples of them, to use them in sentences, to fill in the gaps by using them. Dear students, now we will learn the definition of connector. Let's have a look on the screen. Connectors, the words which work like conjunctions to connect two or more words, phrases and clauses are called connectors. Such as I like milk and fish. Here milk and fish are two words and is a connector here. It connects these two words. Next example, he sings as well as dances. Here as well as is a phrase and it connects two parts of the sentence. Next example, Meena takes physical exercise because it keeps her fit. Here because is a connector. It connects to clauses. Now we will discuss the connectors in details. According to use, we can find different categories of connectors. They are number 1, connectors of sequence. Number 2, connectors of addition. Number 3, connectors of contrast. Number 4, connectors of cause and effect. Number 5, connectors of example. Number 6, connectors of emphasis. Number 7, connectors of time. Number 8, connectors of conclusion. And number 9, relative connectors. Dear students, let's know the examples and uses of all connectors. Connectors of sequence. At firstly, first of all, at the outset, in the beginning, at the beginning. Secondly, then, next, afterwards, after that, finally, eventually, ultimately, lastly, etc. are the examples of connectors of sequence. Now, we will have a look on the use of the connectors of sequence. First example, I will be very busy today. At first, I have to go to the bank to draw some money. Then I will pay the school fees. After that, I need to go to market. Here, at first, then, after that are used one after another. They are showing sequence, and so these connectors are called connectors of sequence. Let's come to the next slide. Connectors of addition. Connectors of addition are used to add something. Examples: besides, moreover, furthermore, and, as well as, also, again, to, similarly, likewise, in the same way, with, together with, along with, in addition, both and, so on, etc. Uses: both Kamal and Jamal speak English well. He helps his brothers, he helps his neighbors too. Here both and to are connectors of addition. Then connectors of contrast. Connectors of contrast are used to show contrast. Though, although, even though, even if, in spite of, despite of, still, or, otherwise, else, but, on the other hand, whereas, while, on the contrary, yet, instead, etc. are the examples of connectors of contrast. Uses: the boy studied hard but he failed. I always help him. On the contrary, he misbehaves with me. Here, but and on the contrary are examples of connectors of contrast. Next, we will see connectors of cause and effect. Connectors of cause and effect are used to show cause and effect. Since, as, because, for, so that, in order that, as a result, as a consequence, consequently, therefore, however, luckily, unluckily, etc. are the examples of connectors of cause and effect. Uses: he cannot attend the meeting because he was ill. The man is working hard so that he can overcome his problem. Here, because and so that are used as connectors of cause and effect. Let's go to the next slide. Connectors of example. For example, as an example, for instance, such as, like, as, namely, as an illustration, etc. are examples of connectors of example. Uses: in Bangladesh, we have various kinds of rice, such as Aush, Amon, and Boro. Here, such as is an example of connectors of example. Dear students, then we will see connectors of emphasis. In fact, actually, really, truly, certainly, truly speaking, to speak the truth, etc. are the examples of connectors of emphasis. Connectors of emphasis are used to show emphasis. Examples: he is doing well in the examination. Certainly, he is very studious now. I haven't done my homework. Truly speaking, I have forgotten it. Here, certainly and truly speaking are examples of connectors of emphasis. Then, connectors of time. Now, at present, presently, nowadays, sometimes, at times, now and then, before, after, till, until, while, when, as soon as early as long as, etc. are the examples of connectors of time. Connectors of time are used to show time. Examples: I don't know when the train will arrive. At present, he works in an institution. Here, when and at present are showing time. So, these are connectors of time. Dear students, come to the next slide. Relative connectors. Who, whom, whose, which, what, etc. are used as connectors. Example: I know the boy who is honest. I want the pen which is red. Here, who and which are relative pronoun and these are used as connectors. Let's have a look on next slide. Connectors of conclusion. Connectors of conclusion are used to conclude something. In conclusion, to conclude, to sum up, in brief, in short, in a word, after all, above all, on the whole, etc. are the examples of connectors of conclusion. Uses: he goes to school regularly. He learns his lessons. He also prepares his homework. In a word, he is an intelligent student. Here, in a word is used to conclude the passage. So, it is a connector of conclusion. Dear students, I think you have got a clear idea about connectors. You have a homework and you can try it at home. Dear students, this is all about today. Hope to see you again. Stay at home, remain safe and keep sanitized. Thank you.